Emoore food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Your boy's back with another one. How y'all doing today? Today I ordered from Wingstop. They have this new flavor there, this sweet citrus mojo flavoring. So I got the chicken sandwich version. I'm going to give you my thoughts, my opinions, and my ratings about this food right here. I ordered this off of DoorDash. So my driver just got here. Thank you very much, my DoorDash driver. I greatly appreciate you. So the price of this was $10.69. It comes on a nice brioche bun. Let you look at it, and then we're going to get involved in it. Check it out. Boom. All right, y'all. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about this restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. That means I keep it 100. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. I hope y'all have an amazing day today. I hope your health is well, and I hope everything is going the way you want it to go. All right, y'all. Before I get involved in this, I'm going to ask you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. Let's eat. Mm. Oh, this little sucker is good. It's a Latin flavor. Sweet, tangy, with a little mixture of garlic to it. Loving 101. Mm. They gave me some sauce, which I didn't ask for, but thank you very much. I'm going to dip it in there. Why not? Since it's here. All right. I'm thinking this must be ranch. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm feeling you, baby. Very interesting. Very flavorful. Tell you, this new flavor they got is packing some flavors. Sweet and citrusy, yet on the other end, you got that garlic taste to it. So it's creating something spectacular. Only thing I would change about this sandwich is for it to be a little bit less cooked. They kind of cooked the life out of it a little bit. They doing some fries too. So let's see what kind of flavors they have. And like I said, I didn't order these either, but they came. Oh, same flavor on the fries. Mmm, mmm. These fries are so delicious. They don't need nothing on them. Mmm. This new flavoring they got is slapping. Wingstop, y'all need to keep this seasoning on your menu full time. Oh my God. I enjoy the fries more than I enjoy the sandwich. And that's saying something because I'm not into fries like that. Putting ketchup on these will mess them up. Mm. For those fries, 9.5 on the fast food level. Because I know Wingstop is a fast food store, right? For that sandwich on the fast food level, I would give it a 9. 9 out of 10. All right, y'all. That was a breakdown for the breakdown of the Wingstop. Um, man, those fries. Go holler at them and scoop up this new flavor they have out. The citrus mojo flavor. You will not be disappointed. If you into that little sweet, but little well seasoned up kind of situation, you will love this. Those flavors pop out at you front, left, and central. Let me tell you, them fries is like, you feel me, Emoore? You know you want another fry? Why not? They like finger food. Those kind of snacks that you can't stop eating, that you got to munch on throughout the whole day. That's what those fries is like. Seasoned up from the rooter to the tutor. Sandwich too, but you might want to suggest to them while you in there, don't cook it so hard. Don't cook the life out of it. Because if it was cooked slightly better, I mean, not better, but slightly less, it would be a game changer. And you don't need anything on it. The ranch dressing gave it, something different, a different kind of taste to it, but it didn't need it at all. All right, y'all. Thank you for taking the time out watching my video. I'm going to ask you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. And you'll be seeing me very soon on my next review. Until then, remember, every day you get to open your eyes up, you get to take that breath as a gift from God, baby. You will see me very soon on my next review. Emoore, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby.